The man serving life in prison for killing a Rio Rancho police officer wants his conviction thrown out.
Andrew Romero claims his trial wasn't fair, and today he appealed his conviction to the state's highest court. News 13's Marissa Lucero is live in Rio Rancho with the very latest. Marissa?
Dean, Jess, in his appeal, Romero lists about a dozen reasons why he didn't receive that fair trial, one of them being all the media coverage, and he says because of that, his trial should have been held out of the Albuquerque metro area to avoid that tainted jury.
Counsel, what TV stations do you think they watch in Rio Arriba County or Taos? What newspapers do you think they read in Rio Arriba County or in Taos County?
I think there will be some jurors who have seen the Albuquerque news, absolutely, but certainly not at the levels that they are in Valencia County.
Again.
Andrew Romero was convicted in 2016 of killing Officer Greg Nigel Benner and sentenced to life without the possibility of parole plus 60 years. Today, in front of that Supreme Court, his attorney also argued that during trial there were problems with eyewitness statements and that the judge didn't suppress evidence he should have, including some of Romero's criminal past. She noted Romero has been labeled a career criminal and a cop killer, saying those labels tainted a lot of the jury pools around the metro area. But the state defended its actions, and District Court Judge George Eichwald's decision, saying the state just had a, quote, strong case. The prosecutor also listed everything the court did give Romero to have a fair trial.
He noted that he suppressed the defendant's custodial statement to the officers. He noted that he also suppressed another statement the defendant allegedly made in jail about killing other officers. And he noted that the defendant received a, quote, Cadillac defense with two highly experienced defense attorneys.
And the Supreme Court did not issue a decision today, saying it could take months. Back to you guys.
Now, on top of that murder conviction, Romero was also convicted of a string of armed robberies leading up to Officer Benner's death back in 2015. Those convictions added 21 years to his life sentence.